Today we are going to learn about how can we extract text from a PDF file. For that purpose, I will use PDF Lumber library. So first of all, we have to install the PDF Lumber library. For that, we have to write pip install PDF Lumber on our terminal and press enter. As you can see, the PDF Lumber library is being installed. After this, to use PDF Lumber library in our code, we have to write import statement. So I will write import PDF Lumber. So my library is imported. Now, first of all, to extract text from a PDF file, we have to open the PDF file. For that, I will use open function from the PDF Lumber library. So we will write with PDF Lumber dot open. In open function, we have to pass the parameter, which will be the relative path of our PDF file, which is sample.pdf in my case. This open function returns an instance of pdflumber.pdf class. So we have to store this instance returned by the open function. So I'm going to store the instance in the variable name as file. Now, if we want to extract text from a particular page of the PDF file, we have to use extract text function of PDF Lumber library. So we have to write data is equal to file dot pages. For example, we have to read the data from the first page of the file. I will give the index 0 dot extract text. Now the data which is being read from the first page of the PDF file is stored in the variable called data. To check, we can print the data and run our code. As you can see, the data from the first page of the file is being printed on terminal. Now, if we want to store the output in a txt file, I will write with open. Now we have to pass two parameters into the open function. First is the name of the output file, which would be output.txt, and the second one is the mode in which I am opening the file, which would be A, which represents append mode. This open function again returns an instance of our txt file, so I will store it in the variable output. Now to write into the output file, I will write output dot write data. So my data is will be written in the output file. Now when we run the code again, we can see that the output.txt file is created in my current working directory. When we open this file, we can see that the data from the first page is being stored in the output.txt file. Now, if we want to convert an specific page of our PDF file into an image, we can use toImage function of PDF Lumber library. So we can use it as y is equal to file dot pages. For example, we have to convert the first page of our PDF file into an image. So we would pass the index 0 dot toImage. In the toImage function, we can pass the parameters such as resolution of image. So I am passing the resolution 500. If we want to view the image, we can call the instance of the image by y dot show function. Then we save it and again run it. Now, if we want to split our data into lines, we can use a split function. For that, we have to write lines is equal to data dot split. In the function, we have to pass the character at which the line should be splitted. So I am passing the new line character. If we want to read what is written at the fourth line, for that we can directly print the index third of the variable line, and when we save the code and run it, we can see that the examination April 2024, the text written at the fourth line of the data is printed. Now, if we want to search for a particular pattern or a particular word in our data, we have to use a library known as regular expression library. For using it, we have to write import statement. So I am writing import statement, import RE. After this, for example, I have to search for a roll number in my data present on the first page. So for that I have to first of all define a regular expression. For that I will write specific is equal to re dot compile r, and in double inverted quotes I have to write the pattern or the word I want to search. So I want to search the roll number 0801 VM 211009. After this I will use there are multiple methods to search the text into the data. First method is search. Search method returns match object if the word is found in the data, and returns null if it is not found. So I would write x is equal to specific dot search, and in the function I will pass the parameter in which I want to search. So I will put data. After this I will let if x, that means if x is not null, then print x dot group. Here dot group function is used to print the word which we have located in our file. When we save it and then we can see that we have found the roll number in our file, so it is printed on the terminal. Next function in our regular expression library is find all, which returns the list of all the matches for the word or a pattern. So for example, I want a list of all the roll numbers present on my second page of my sample.pdf. For that, first of all I have to define the regular expression. So I will write roll is equal to re dot compile r. In inverted quotes I have to write the pattern of my roll number. So in my case the pattern of my roll number is 0801. Then there are two alphabets. For that I would write A to Z. In curly braces I would write 2 because there are two alphabets. Then there are 5 digits. For that I will write slash D and 5. To search the roll number in the second page of my sample.pdf I will write Z is equal to roll dot find all, and in bracket I would pass the data of the second page of sample.pdf. For that I will write file dot pages 1, which is the index of the second page, dot extract underscore txt. Now we will print the variable z. For that I will print z, then I will save and run the code. As we can see, all the roll numbers of the second page, as we can see, all the roll numbers that are present on the second page are printed on our terminal as a list. Next function in regular expression library is sub, which is used to replace a particular character or a word with another character or a word. So, for example, we have a text which is the rain in Spain, and we want to replace the space character by for example that we want to replace it by number 9. So for that we would write a is equal to re dot sum. In this function we will pass three parameters. First is the character or the word that is to be replaced. So we are replacing the space character, so for that we will write slash s. After that we will write the character which is going to replace white space character, so we will write 9. After this the text in which the character is to be replaced. Now we will print it, print it, control save. Now again when we run the code, we can see that statement is printed in which the white space character is replaced by the character 9. That's all for today. I hope you have learned something. Thank you for watching my video.